Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Ariad1, the administrator of the Realm RPG server, and we've we've changed a few things, and I'm going to teach you guys how to get your computer set up so that you can play on our server as well. Now, as far as airships go, right now they're not working. We're working on a new way for airships to work. The new Movecraft sucks. We tried that. So many glitches. When you try to move, it keeps jerking your camera up and left and right and all these crazy angles. I don't know what AJC Striker's doing with that, but he needs to go back to the old Movecraft and just update its coding rather than redoing everything. So, but yeah, enough of that. So we're not using Movecraft right now. We're trying to update the old Movecraft so that we can have airships again. We tried the Pixis mod, but every Mac user crashed when they were playing on the server, so we had to go back. Right now, we went from Technic Classic. Now we're running BigDig for 1.5.2, and we never update unless everything is stable to do so. So we're on BigDig 1.5.2, but just downloading BigDig isn't enough because we've added a couple things, but we don't have our own custom mod pack because of all the issues that has. So I'm going to teach you how to set yours up. Please ignore the clutter on the desktop. Alright. I'll put an I can't talk today. I'll put an annotation that you can skip ahead to this part, so in case you don't want to hear my rambling. Alright. What you're going to need to do is go to %appdata %. Press enter. Now I'm assuming you've already gotten the Technic launcher and all that set up. You should have that. If you're still using the old launcher, update your launcher. That's very important. Now you're going to go to .technic. Alright. See here you have all your mods. Now you can minimize that. Bring up your Technic launcher. Take a minute here. Alright, BigDig. This is what we're running. See what build we're running in case in the future. Alright, 1.3.9. That's the build we're running. So launch up BigDig on 1.3.9. Now you might need to allocate a little more memory to your launcher, and this is how you do it. You just go to this gear symbol instead. 4 gigabytes is what I got allocated. Increase perm gen size. I wouldn't recommend that for everyone. I have a monstrous computer, so I can do that, but increase perm gen size. That's very important. So yeah. Then you launch up your BigDig, and after it's launched up, close it out. Go back here. It should have created a BigDig folder. You're going to go into here, go into mods. Where is it? There it is. Alright, now you're just going to leave that for now. I'll have a link in the description for you, but you're going to go to the Dropbox file. There are actually 2 of them. I'll have the links for both, but you're going to download customnpcs 1.5.2.zip and customnpcs.config. Now, you can get away with just downloading this file, but if you do, there's something you're going to have to do. Launch up your BigDig a second time, and it should create a config file. Now, in the config for custom NPCs, whoa, hey now, I don't know why the text is so big, but that right there is really important. You must change the block start ID to 1616 or you will crash. Now, alternatively, you can just download this and download the config. Put custom NPCs 1.5.2 in your mods folder in BigDig. See? %appdata Technic BigDig mods. That's where custom NPCs 1.5.2 goes. Do not extract the file. It needs to be zipped. Otherwise, you'll have issues. So you go back, you place the config in the config folder. See, it's really simple. Then I would double check and make sure that that number is 1616 so you don't have any issues. Block start ID. That should be it. Now, we may take out some mods that are causing us issues like logistic pipes and all that, and we're still working on getting the server, up and running. Still got a few things to do. Disable craft is only for 1.4.7, so we need to find a new way to disable certain items like, intercontinental ballistic missiles. Those things are very big potential griefing tools. If you guys have any suggestions for a plugin, does it disable crafting recipes or certain items would be preferable, please let me know. It'd be awesome to find one of those. I've been looking, but alright guys, that should be it. You should be able to launch your BigDig up. Now, in case the IP address isn't there anymore from this, I'm going to go ahead and give you our IP. Let's launch BigDig up. Yeah, this may take a while. I'm going to skip ahead on this. This is with 4 gigs of RAM. I feel sorry for anyone on a laptop with like 1 gig to allocate. Wow. I'm hungry. Oh my goodness, hurry up. Come on. There we go. Alright guys, here we are. Now excuse me. The IP address is going to be 75.102.46.76:25765. That's our server right now. No one really on because of the changes we've done. No, people don't know yet how to update, so hopefully when this gets out, we'll have our cool guys like Paul Limbo and all them coming back in. And here you can see, working on the server, working on the world. We got one of the towns pretty much done.